I'm sure almost everyone watching this show has dreamt of owning a holiday home on the beach or on the hills as a perfect escape from the hustle bustle of city life. But experts say second homes don't have to be in far out places. Sometimes you get great options right outside your doorsteps. So take a look at some perfect weekend homes outside of Mumbai.
Each one of us harbors a desire for a second home, be it for a holiday getaway or a quiet place to retire in, away from a crazy, ever-demanding life in a metro. And with household incomes rising, this concept is slowly but surely grabbing the mind space of several well-to-do urban families in Mumbai.
See, I think over the last 7 to 8 years, there's been a great appetite for second homes, because your availability of cash, availability of credit has become, and the amount of products that have come in also has become far more diverse.
The second home earlier was only synonymous with the rich and the very privileged set of people. Today there's also, refreshingly, there's today also a growth in mindset among developers that second home need not be limited only to the rich and the very few privileged people, but it could also be a affordable or middle class second home concept.
More and more Mumbaikars are choosing to pack their holiday bags and forget their worries at greener, more peaceful locales just a few hours drive away. Precisely why this once dominated by smaller players second homes market is now becoming an upcoming vertical for biggies like Tata Housing, Lodha and Hiranandani.
There are two types of destination. One is a choice destinations or a very famous destinations like Alibag, Lonavala, Khandala, Panchgani, where the rates are at a higher level. Say it starts from say 70-80 lakhs and above. So where say higher middle class or a rich segment could buy a second home. But there are new destinations are emerging which are second home destinations like Wada is there, Murbad is there, Shahpur is there. These are the second home destinations where the budget is say 15 lakhs to 40 lakh rupees.
As land demand grows and Mumbai stretches outwards, buyers are looking at these vacation hubs sometimes even as their first purchase, while choosing to live on affordable rent in more central parts of the city. A classic example is Alibag. An all-time favorite of Mumbai's who's who, Alibag is now finding favour even among the not-so-rich, thanks to increasing connectivity with Mumbai.
Alibag, being the closest mainland, has over the years developed as an extension to Mumbai, and now it's also part of the Mumbai metropolitan region. That has put Alibag in an area of great appreciation potential. Plus, it's combined with a lot of greenery, clean beaches, clean air. So it's also a great weekend getaway.
Finally, our intention to inspire you to go that extra mile to do up your living spaces. We visit Delhi-based fashion designer Urvashi Kaur's Wonder Space.